Hello everyone. As modern laptops shrink in size, ports often become a casualty. There's no longer room in many sleek and light laptops for the likes of USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, and SD card readers, and the versatile Thunderbolt 4 connector is extremely popular as a way to save space and still get a high-performance connection. These docks connect to your PC with one cable, opening up a much broader selection of ports at the other end. We've collected here the best Thunderbolt 4 and Thunderbolt 3 docking stations to help you find the perfect companion for your laptop. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which topics you'd like to see in our next video. Number 5. Oraco. Using the Thunderbolt 3 interface can reach the ultra-high speed of up to 40 Gbps. Two Type-C and USB-A interfaces can also reach 10 Gbps high speed. Equipped with 4 USB-A ports, perfectly meet your work needs for data transmission. Note, the actual transmission rate is also related to the equipment you are using. With 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 x USB 3 1 Gen 2 Type-C 10 Gbps, 1 x USB 3 1 Gen 2 a 10 Gbps, 2 x USB 3 1 Gen 1 a 5 Gbps, and 2 x USB 2 0 a 480 Mbps DP 1.4, RJ45 LAN Gigabit Ethernet port, SD/TF card reader, audio in-out, S/PDF out. Oraco laptop docking station is more powerful, more stable, faster cooling, faster data transfer, fully meet or even exceed your various daily needs. Oraco laptop dock provides up to 60 WPD fast charge to charge your laptop and play while charging. A secondary Thunderbolt 3 port provides 15 W of power to downstream devices. 2 lightning ports plus DC power supply 20V/325A. You don't need to worry about the problem of insufficient power. Number 4. Hagibis. Hagibis innovated and developed this RGB LED strip light USB-C hub, which integrates docking station, hard disk, enclosure, LED strip light, and SD card storage box. Make your docking station different from the rest. Add color to your desktop. 2 main modes, 16 rhythm modes, 4 levels of brightness adjustable. Voice control mode. The light will follow the sound rhythm. Memory mode. The light will beat when the M2 hard disk reads or writes. External 2 monitors at the same time support mirror mode and extended mode. USB-C is the main dock interface, can control all the interfaces except the right HDMI compatible. USB-C can only control the right HDMI compatible interface. Number 3. Tobnon. The 2 HDMI ports of this dual monitor docking station can be used simultaneously, which creates an efficient working environment for you. 7 USB ports dual monitor docking station. This USB-C dual monitor docking station for Windows laptop has 7 USB ports, which can meet your various equipment needs. 4 times USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB-C port transfer data speed up to 5 Gbps, allowing you to access your files in seconds. 15-in-1 dual monitor laptop docking station. With this plug-and-play computer docking station for laptops dual monitor, you can easily extend your laptop from one Type-C/Thunderbolt 3/4 port into 15 ports. This dual HDMI docking station features 2 HDMI, VGA, 4 USB 3.05 Gbps, USB-C 5 Gbps, 2 USB 2.0 for keyboard and mouse, ED 3.0, 35mm audio/mic, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, and added SD/TF card reader is friendly for the photographer, which would help you create a dual display workstation. Number 2. Fixero. Thunderbolt dock can output dual 4K at 60Hz or a single 8K at 30Hz monitor via DP and Thunderbolt 3 ports. It perfectly expands your computer screen to HDTV, monitor, or projector. No more delay, make sure you don't miss a second. Whether online meeting or gaming, Fixero USB-C Thunderbolt Hub has 2 x Thunderbolt 3 ports 40 Gbps, DP port 8K at 30Hz, 2 x USB-C 10 Gbps, USB 3.1 10 Gbps, 2 x USB 2.0. Gigabit Ethernet port, SD/micro SD card slot, S/PDIF, 35mm audio/microphone, and 65W input power. Perfectly combine all the features you need. The column design is anti-tilt, can be used as a headphone stand, ideal docking station for the desktop. The Thunderbolt 3 hub offers 40 Gbps super-fast data transfer via standard Thunderbolt 3 ports, no laptop icon. 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB 3.1 port support 10 Gbps. 2 USB 3.0 ports support 5 Gbps for data transfer from SSD/HDD hard drives, phones, and tablets, and 2 USB 2.0 ports for keyboard and mouse. Numerous USB ports will surely meet all your needs. Number 1. Ugreen. With the Display Link technology, Ugreen USB-C docking station supports extending 3 monitors for Mac OS and Windows, and supports both extended and mirror modes, which can greatly improve your work efficiency. The 12-in-1 USB-C dock is equipped with 1x HDMI 8K, 1x HDMI 4K, 1x DP 4K, 1x PD 3.0 100W, 1x USB-A 3.2 10 Gbps, 1x USB-C 3.2 10 Gbps, 2x USB-A 3.05 Gbps, 1x Gigabit Ethernet, 1x SD slots, 1x TF slots, and 1x 35mm AUX ports. It can meet all the needs of your daily work. With 1x USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 and 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, this MacBook docking station supports up to 10 Gbps data transfer speed. It can meet your needs of transferring data in a very short time. With the PD100W charging port and 100W GOT-N charger included, the laptop docking station supports up to 85W charging for laptops. It only takes 5 hours to fully charge MacBook Pro 15, and without taking up another port of the laptop. With the PD100W charging port and 100W GOT-N charger included, the laptop docking station supports up to 85W charging for laptops. That just finished our video. Which one your favorite? Why not? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoy the video, give us like. If you want to see more high quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight into your mailbox. That way you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.